Hey, I'm Tei, and this is a quick review of Yukina Minato from BanG Anime and Game. First of all, I must say that this is my second prize for my first Nendoroid campaign from Good Smile Company that I won in September. For more details, please click in the upper right corner of the video. I left all the links there. And returning to the Nendoroid itself, I should say that I don't know this character and I'm not in the fandom. But my friend Ren from Instagram recommended me some songs by Yukina, and also I watched an episode with Chibi Yukina and many cats, and shit turned out really cute. As for the Nendoroid, the articulation is standard for not super mobile Nendoroid, and also I'm amazed at all the crazy details she has. What I'm not sure about are earrings, because I'm afraid to break them while changing the faceplates. Yukina comes with 3 faceplates: the standard expression, the emotional singing expression, and adorable blushing expression. She doesn't have a lot of accessories. First of all, there are additional arms and hands for posing, then she has arms held together, plus mic with a stand, and the mic can be separated. And of course, there is a hand for holding the mic. So all in all, this Nendoroid is just pretty. It doesn't have a lot of accessories, it doesn't have a lot of articulation, but why would you need it? She's a pretty idol in a pretty dress, and from what I know, idols are meant to be beautiful and also have beautiful voices, but that's not the case for an Nendoroid. As I said, they're meant to be beautiful and cute, and this Nendoroid manages to be both beautiful and cute, and now I'm sure she will have a place at my shelf. But in fact, there are some drawbacks. For example, changing faceplates can be really hard. It seems okay at first, but if you try to put another faceplate, it goes really bad. You can hear it, I guess. There is still a little gap. Here you have this problem. Also, as I mentioned, there are small pretty earrings that I'm afraid to break each time I change faceplates. But there is another highlight that I like about it, and it's a dorky one, geeky one. If you take microphone stand, you can separate it into pieces. Be left with this one, and you can put mic on the stand and put the stand in your hand. And now we have Freddy Yukina. I'm sure that it's not in character, but who can stop me? And that's where I want to go on with my photograph. So let the behind the scenes start. And this is backstage. And the set is ready. I know it looks really chaotic, and it sure is. You can see that there is 4 bottles full of water for weight. There is wire between them. Wire is support for Christmas lights. And of course, there are 2 strings of Christmas lights. One is yellow and blue, and one is yellow-white. Also, you may notice I have some lights in front of Yukina, and now I'll show you how it looks all together. So as you can see, all the lights are bokeh, those behind Yukina and those in front of Yukina, and that's how I want it. As you can see, I took two variations of the same scene. The first one is with white light. The difference is significant, but thanks to the tripod, the figure stays the same, and this way I can put one layer over another, change one of them to lighten, and I feel like a magician. To be honest, it wasn't planned, but that's the reason why I always try to make some variations of the same scene. You never know what will work or what won't work. So in the end, I believe it might be one of the best pictures that I took in a long while. And the Nendoroid of Yukina is cute, and I think it's a must for any fan of BanG, and who's not a fan may appreciate the cuteness of this girl. Thank you for watching, my name is Tay, it's been Teisson Figures, bye!